I just had the best chicken and waffles that I've ever had at the hottest brunch place in all of West Toronto, Dirty Food Eatery. It was so good, you guys. And the best part is, it is literally right around the corner from our latest listing at 535 Quebec Avenue. And I'm gonna show you just how close it is as you follow me back for a sneak peek at our latest listing. Let's go. Welcome to 535 Quebec Avenue. In less than 2 minutes, we made it from the heart of the action to the end of this peaceful cul-de-sac. All right, you've waited long enough. Should we go take a look? Come on. This fully updated end-of-row townhome features high ceilings, an open concept layout, and hardwood floors throughout. The eat-in kitchen offers new appliances including a gas stove for you foodies and a butcher block island bar top for enjoying a meal or drinks with friends. The kitchen leads to the oh-so-convenient main floor laundry and powder room with a walkout to the low-maintenance yard with laneway access. Upstairs are 3 bright bedrooms with custom floor-to-ceiling closets in the primary bedroom and a 4-piece family bathroom. On the lower level, you'll find a cozy rec room, perfect for movie nights with the kids and ample storage. The Junction is an eclectic and cool, tight-knit community with great schools, amazing restaurants, hip bars, live music venues, quaint cafes, and so many boutique shops, all within walking distance. With easy access to High Park, the Bloor subway line, and the Up Express, the Junction is one of the best places to live in all of Toronto. With summer on its way and the world opening back up, there is no better way to get back to living your best life than in this fully updated home, a mere steps away from the best shops and entertainment in the Junction. Guys, this is the one. Come check it out today before it's gone. I'll see you soon.